Hi everyone, good to see you all in another video today. Welcome to Motivation Club. Today I am going to post this video based on a suggestion. The suggestion was given by Mr. Muthukumar. Mr. Muthukumar suggested that I need to speak about unsuccessful attributes of the people. So I started this topic. I wanted to say some attributes of successful people, which means unsuccessful people will not follow all these attributes. So I've taken this topic based on the suggestions given by Mr. Muthukumar. I appreciate this. Thank you all for your support. So let's go to the topic now actually. Unsuccessful attributes of the people. What we can say actually, what are the unsuccessful attributes of the people? So when you term one person as successful, how do you measure the success? How do you measure success? So I believe that success should not be measured through money or any other property or anything. Success should be measured using happiness. Whether the person is happy or not, that defines success. Success means it does not mean money. Success means that whether you are happy or not actually. So I am going to take to the kid version of you in the sense child version of you. So imagine yourself as a child. When you were a child, what you were doing, you used to lust for unnecessary things, right? You used to be getting excited for unnecessary things actually, right? That's how your life was. But now I feel that we forgot the child version of us actually. We need to bring this child version of us to be happy. So for you, if you have to be happy, what you need to do is actually you need to take a decision to be happy. How can you take a decision? Just go back to your child life. When you were a child, you used to be happy for nothing, right? When you get a holiday, you used to be happy. You used to be happy when your father gets you something, right? So we all forgot all those things actually. Now what is happening is we need to learn from the children. Yeah, so the children are quite happy, but we are losing our happiness by going behind money or anything. So I define success by means of what happiness we have, how much happiness we have actually. Happiness should not be measured by money or property or anything else. So this is what I wanted to share with you. This is the first point. Second thing is actually, most of the successful people ignore what others think about us, right? They ignore what others think about them, right? We shouldn't be thinking that what others would be thinking about me, right? So if you are doing something, that should be done for your happiness, right? So you should not be thinking that what others would think if I do this. Am I right or wrong? You should not be thinking that. If you have to be happy, if you have to be successful, or if you want to be successful, or if you want to be happy, what you need to do is actually ignore what others think about you. The opinion about yourself is very important. The opinion about others doesn't matter at all. This is what I wanted to share with you. Secondly, the third point is self-confidence. You need to be confident in what you're thinking. You need to be confident in taking decisions. You need to think that whatever I take or whatever decision I take, it'll be right. In case if it goes wrong also, I take the responsibility for that actually. In case if it goes wrong also, I will face the consequences. It should be your mindset. For that you need to be having self-confidence, which is quite important for you. So the successful people attributes, I shared 3 things so far. The fourth thing is actually self-discipline. Most of us have forgot the self-discipline, right? So discipline has become outdated. That too, self-discipline has become outdated actually. Previously, when you consider your grandfather or someone actually, if they think that 11 o'clock in the morning means it is sharp 11 o'clock, not 11:1 or 11:2 or 11:3. But nowadays actually we are making this 11 o'clock as 11:15 or 11:20 or 11:25. Mostly I'm talking about Indians, right? Indians have this mentality that we forget the time. It's one of the self-disciplines what we need to follow. So in case if you want to be successful in life, actually you need to follow the self-discipline. If you consider any successful person, they follow self-discipline with them. So this is what the fourth point I wanted to share with you. And one more thing what I wanted to add in this video is actually all these things, if you want to follow, what you need to do is the consistency is very important. Are we consistent in doing something? No, we are not at all consistent actually. We follow one day, we forget another day. So we shouldn't be like that actually. We should be consistent in what we are doing actually. We need to do it every day, like I told you in the previous videos. Yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you all actually. So I've shared the successful attributes of the people. That means actually if you want to be successful, follow all these things. Try at these things at least for 21 days. Expert says that if you follow something for 21 days, you will be able to follow that regularly in your life without any interruption. So I request all my followers to follow all these things for at least 21 days for you to be successful, and you can see the first step of success. I'm not saying that overnight it will be happening. It will be happening gradually. So if you want to see success, do it slowly, steadily, do it every day. This is what I wanted to share with you. The next thing is, and I'm so happy for all your suggestions. Mr. Muthukumar suggested this topic and I have taken this topic and I've spoken this topic. The next thing is I wanted to appreciate my cousin Mr. Sabarish, who is just second year of his college actually. He has been suggesting many things actually. Bro, you can do this, you could do this, you could do this in this video. I'm happy to listen to all your suggestions and it is helping me to develop to the next level. Thank you all. Keep supporting me. Keep sharing this video with all your friends. Ask them to subscribe to Motivation Club. I'll see you in the next video. Next video, I'm planning to post something about the 4 good ways to build your personality. So the next video, if you think that you need to develop your personality to the next level, then this video will be helping you. See you all in the next video. Thank you.